Onyx 30 Computerized Sewing Machine from Husqvarna Viking is perfect for beginners and experienced sewists alike. This machine is packed with features that offer ease of use and all kinds of creative possibilities, so you can sew up a wide range of projects at an entry-level price point. I'm going to walk you through some of the highlights of this machine that make it a standout for me. Getting started is fast and easy with a semi-automatic needle threader and a top drop-in bobbin. If you're a beginner, selecting the right stitch, stitch length and width, presser foot pressure, and thread tension for your project can be daunting. This convenient sewing guide reference chart included with the machine takes the guesswork out of that for you. It provides information on how to select the best stitch and settings for your selected sewing technique and fabric. One of my favorite convenience features is the needle stop up-down. The needle can be programmed to stop in the down position, which holds in place your fabric and is ideal for pivoting corners, sewing appliques, quilting, and more. The built-in thread cutter is another great time saver. Just push the button and it instantly cuts the top and bobbin threads and pulls the thread tails to the underside of your fabric. The Onyx 30 has 158 stitches, from basic utility and stretch stitches to decorative and quilting options. There are also 2 sewing font stitches for Stitches are easily selectable with your stitch selection buttons. Create custom stitch sequences to personalize and embellish your projects. Combine letters with many different decorative stitches up to 40 characters. You can customize your stitches even further with features like stitch elongation and side-to-side stitch mirroring. The large LCD screen displays your selected stitch, the stitch length and the stitch width setting, recommended presser foot, and needle position. The screen also indicates when the machine is in the bobbin winding mode. Some other notable features of this machine are the strong piercing power for sewing thicker fabrics and quilt layers, 9 different styles of one-step buttonholes, and a speed slider so you can set your machine to sew at the speed you're comfortable with. It also comes with a wide selection of feet and accessories for various fabrics and sewing techniques.